This is a quick video on how to sign up your student for a Trinket account for Python coding. So you should have received an email with this sign up link from us. So let's click this link and it brings us over to the Trinket sign up page. You will need to enter the full name of your child and a username. For usernames, we would recommend that you have a minimum of 6 characters. Use a combination of numbers and letters and make sure it's easy to remember. We would also recommend that you make it relevant for your son or daughter, so maybe use their favorite fruit or their favorite animal. We don't recommend that you give away too much information about yourself, so try to avoid using your real name or initials and avoid using meaningful numbers such as age, year of birth, or location. So if you have a look at Larry, born in 2011, his favorite fruit is an apple and his favorite animal is a fox. He chooses the username Larry 2011 Fox. We don't recommend that you use a username like this as it gives away Larry's first name and the year he was born. But if we have a look here at Sue, Sue was born in 2011. Her favorite fruit is a pear and her favorite animal is a dog. She chooses pear dog 999. This is a great example of a username. So let's go over to Trinket and let's enter our full name. Let's make a username. Enter our email. And create a strong password. A strong password is a password with a mixture of letters, numbers, and symbols. We would recommend you use a strong password and also to note it down on a piece of paper or on your mobile phone. After we have entered all of our information, let's click sign up. We are now signed up for Trinket. Okay, so let's go and open up a new Python block project. And to do that, we go to the top right corner, click on our username, click New Trinket, and head to the blocks. We have just opened a new Python block project.